This could be a pain with that thing sliding like that. Cool. Alright, so what are we in here? All but 20 minutes and it's together. That ain't too bad. Get this tripod holder off here again. That thing's a pain in the butt to use. Such a small camera. And you put that thing on the bottom, you can't get your palm around it. Anyway, it's together, as you can see. I noticed that this isn't perfectly flush right here. It is pretty darn good back here. Right there, there's a little bit of a lip. I don't know, there could just be some dirt where this plate sits. I'll be sure to clean that up. And it's not going to be that big of a deal anyway, I suppose, but it'd be nice if it was flush. Then again, it might be if there is a piece of dirt in there, so we'll find out. But there it is, it's together. I don't know if you heard me saying when the camera was on the tripod, but I may end up, I'm going to put some kind of paint, at least on the sides, so I'll be taking it back apart, but I don't know if I'm going to spray paint them or use a decent quality automotive paint or possibly even just powder coat them. But yeah, I'll end up doing something. So yeah, that's it. DeWalt Portaband model D, what is that? DWM 120. And the Swag Portaband 2, I think it's their version 3.0. Huh. That's not fully recessed either. This one is. Interesting. Interesting. Huh. I wonder if there's... I have to try one of the other screws. Maybe they're slightly different. I don't know. But anyway, there it is. It's together. I'll get some use on it and let you know what I think from that point. See ya.